How to start your first passive income with mini courses under 24 hours. Imagine this. By tomorrow you can have your first passive income with digital products. Sounds like a miracle? Well, it's not. It's just smart strategy. Forget months of overthinking and getting overwhelmed with tech stuff. Just make it simple with one digital product or mini course that sells itself in only 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your passive income with a mini course in only 24 hours. I take you step by step from the idea through creation all the way to making your first sale. And trust me, it's much easier than you probably think. Part 1. The problem. Here's the truth. Most coaches feel the need to launch a huge online course right away. The result? They are stuck for months, overwhelmed by tech, video editing or platforms. And in the meantime, they don't even sell for a single dollar. It's frustrating, and most people quit at this exact point. Here's the secret. You don't need a massive course to start. What you need is a product that is small, fast to create and fast to sell. Part 2. What is a mini course? A mini course is a short, focused course that solves one specific problem for your audience. Not 20 modules and endless content. And the quick think and quick sell wins. Examples could be 5 days meditation for focus or Instagram planning in 2 hours. Why does it work so well? You can create it in a weekend. Your clients see results fast and actually love you for it. And it becomes your first source of passive income. Because once it's created, you can sell it over and over again. Part 3. How to create a mini course in only 24 hours. Okay, now you're thinking, how is it even possible in such a short time? Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose a topic. Ask yourself, what small specific problem can I solve quickly? It should be so focused that your clients think, well, this is exactly what I need right now. It's time urgent and it focused only one problem. Step 2. Outline the structure. 3 to 5 lessons are enough. Just write down some bullet points, what needs to be taught and in which order, so your client gets results quickly. Step 3. Record the videos. No need for a professional studio. Your smartphone, like I'm using now, is perfect. Keep the videos short, 5 to 10 minutes a lesson. Step 4. Upload your course. You can use tools like System.io, StanStore or Samcard or Thrivecart. In just a few hours, your course is live with payments set up, login info, everything. And the best part, you can start selling right away. By like tomorrow. Start posting, send them into your funnel, send them to your mini course card page and start generating sales right away. It's a no-brainer. And yes, from this moment, it works passively. Your clients are buying while you sleep. Part 4. Let me give you a real example from my own business. My very first mini course went online right to the time of the pandemic. And it wasn't perfect. I built it in about a week, but it's sold. And now it keeps on selling until today. And do you know the feeling as a single mom to wake up every day and your course is sold? You check your phone and another order is coming in. That's a moment when you realize passive income isn't a myth. It really works. And the best part, this mini course became the foundation of everything that came next. It didn't just bring in money, it gave me confidence and clients that later bought even bigger programs. And now I want to hear from you. What mini course topic could you create in only 24 hours? Please write it down in the comments. I can't wait to read your idea. Conclusion. So here's the deal. Let's make a challenge. Don't wait for the perfect course. Start with a mini course. Pick a focused topic, create it in only 24 hours and kick off your freedom business that brings in money even while you sleep. If you want to know how to set up mini courses smartly, build funnels and scale your income step by step, grab my book, The Mini Course Method. It shows you the complete strategy that built my business with mini courses and how it can work for yours too. The link is right under this video. And now go watch my next video with more strategies to build a successful online business. See you there.